Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to redirect customer from different country to different pages using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to use custom code. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it, then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title here. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select JavaScript. Now we are going to paste code and you will find all this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to redirect different customers from different countries to different pages using custom code. Now you see variable constant page 1. So this is our page URL and then you see page 2. So this is a Google URL. So you can add link according to requirement and then you see fetch IP info JSON. So we are going to fetch API request from this website. So you can open this website to see all detail. Now open it and then you see country PK. So this is our location. Now back to code. So you can find out each country detail. So you can use here. Now you see data country US, window location, page 1. If our visitor come from United States location or IP address, then we are going to open or redirect page 1, and if our customer come from Pakistan PK country, then we are going to open or redirect page 2. So you can add multiple code. Now you see else if. Now copy this. Now you see two brackets and then paste. So you can add your country code here and then you see page 2. So make it page 3 and then scroll up, copy this and then paste. So you can add page 3 and then you can add URL here according to your requirement. So you can add multiple countries and redirect customer to any page from any country. So when customer open our home page or website from United States, then we are going to redirect to this URL. If our customer from Pakistan open our home page or website URL, then redirect to Google and then scroll down you see insert method auto insert location site wide header. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. So our location is Pakistan. So when we refresh this page and then you see open Google, again open our website. So our location is Pakistan. So when someone visits from Pakistan on our home page or website, then open google.com. So in custom code you can add any country code. Now you see data.country US. So you can add UK. You can assign more pages. You can add URL according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.